Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, let's get him. Driving in my Chevrolet truck, you know I had to pick somebody up, yeah. Then I drove back home. I said, what the freak was I on? I must have been taking some pills, yeah. I just cracked the seal, yeah. I just broke a window, but I'm still singing to the tempo of the stupid beat that I downloaded. It's an acoustic guitar type beat, so yeah, get loaded up on beer. We gon' have a good time this year, yeah. You know that I'm not playing no games with you, yeah. Y'all better pick and choose, yeah, who you're gonna win and who you're gonna lose with. Don't call me a loser, I am just the choosers of the game that we're about to play on each other. I don't want no Connect 4, I don't want tic-tac-toe. I do wanna play me some Uno. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know I don't like you, so come here, let's fight, dude. You don't wanna know me, cause I'm keeping it up on the low key. Yeah, I'm a real country singer, but I'm not Jerry Springer. So it really doesn't matter what I say, because I'm getting way lit. Y'all already knowing that it's legit, yeah. I'm a freaking rapper, screw the country freaking bull crap that you wanna put on me. Why you wanna do me like that, homie? You know that I really don't get it. You know that my singing is off limits. You can judge my beats and that's it. Don't judge my rapper, hypocrite. I'm not playing with you. Y'all better pick and choose which socks and which shoes that you're gonna wear that day, cause I wanna fight, bro.